Okay.
Hi everybody! Welcome to Discovery Bay. What you are looking right now
Parang
is the
tumutulog.
island of Nimshu! One!
Mabuhay!
Mabuhay! And those are the
The
two
fans.
girls.
Those are our fans actually. Ayun, hinahayaan lang muna namin sila mag-enjoy dahil alam mo na, kailangan minsan mag-relax-relax after the shootings and all the press cons and everything.
Yeah.
Alam mo yun? Ang ganda-ganda rito, para ka na rin nasa Pilipinas, ano?
Well, ito yung actually that is the replica of Underground River in Puerto Princesa.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Okay.
The bato.
And the bato talaga, the color is purple.
na.
So this is Purple Sea. Pangalanan natin siyang Purple Sea.
Purple sea of sweetie and pretty.
And everything. O parang ako naman ang isama mo sa video. Uupo tayo sa ibabaw ng bato.
Okay.
O hawakan mong mabuti kasi pag nabaksak yan, babayadan mo Papalitan mo ng bago.
Ganun ba yun? Okay, everybody. And that is pretty, you know. Para na siyang kamag-anak ni Jezebel. Kasi,
Ang nawawalang pinsa ni Jess.
ang nawawalang pinsan ni Jezebel.
Pulsam ako, no?
Okay, so, we go further.
Okay.
So, what you see, that's the ferry of...
Hindi, parang yan yung mga inano ni ni Robin Hood. Ay,
si Captain Hook.
Captain Hook.
Kaya nga alam mo, we just watched the Avengers. Kaya meron pa kaming aftershock. Shocking, I'm in love to Robert Downey.
Ang talas ng bato.
Okay, that's the ferry of going to Peng Chau and Mui Wo.
I will take a dip.
You see, maraming tulya dito. At ayun si Pretty. Ayan na, ay na siya. Ano ba? Magpakahulsama ka naman.
Yung match ko mababasa.
Okay.
Pero pwede.
See, boat is coming. Ooh, that's tulya. You see, that's tulya.
Mahirap siyang i-upload pag mahaba.
Mahaba. Masakit. Masakit matusok. Woo! The water is getting clearer and clearer. Wow! Nabasa! Ang ganda!
Look, ipakita mo yung lupa. The water is so
see?
pristine.
The water
Nakikita
is
pa
so
yung-
pristine, yes.
Nakikita pa yung paa ko.
Nakikita pa yung paa ni Pretty. Ano yung patay na kuko?
Hindi, patay na bato yun.
Patay na.
Kung wala nga na-ibisto yung patay na kuko, ano ba? Hindi ganyan. You will just flip it over.
Oh my God.
Ay, no, para sa picture lang para yung flip. Ay, hindi, pag naglalak na, ibig sabihin yata finish na.
Finish na.